Welcome back. Now, the date and time formulas will give you the opportunity to work with dates and times in ways that allow you to analyze what you're doing. For example, if we were to use the net workdays formula, what we would be doing is we can determine, perhaps for the sake of a project, how many workdays there are between now and the end of the year. Then maybe we would be able then to divide our project into a certain number of steps, tasks, or days. So in this case, we're going to place the start date in this cell. We're going to place the end date in this cell. And then we're going to assume that we're going to have 5 holidays. So now what we're going to do is we're going to click OK. And you'll notice now that we have 0 days. So what we need to do is we need to go to G8 and put in the start date. And in this case, we're going to say the start date is going to be September 12th. We're then going to say that the end date is going to be December 20th. You notice that we have between now and the end of that time 72 days to work on our project, assuming that we're going to be taking 5 days off. Now, of course, if you're going to count Saturdays in that, then you can offset that with that number. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.